The critical role of measurement and vectors in marine biology research. When you said marine biology, first thing that comes to my mind is study about corals. But what is really a marine biology? Marine biology is the study of life in the ocean, a multidisciplinary field that often intersects with physics understanding. Physical principles such as fluid dynamics, buoyancy, and pressures is essential for studying marine organisms and their environment. Physics provide the tools necessary to measure quantity and predict the behavior of marine life. Their, their interaction with the physical worlds. Accurate measurements are crucial in marine biology to study physical and biological properties of the ocean and its inhabitants. This measurement can include variables such as water temperature, salinity, current speed, and pressure. For instance, the growth rates of marine organisms like coral reef are often measured in relation to these physical factors. Instruments such as CTD, conductivity, temperature, depth sensors are used to collect precise data from different ocean layers, providing insight into how environmental change affect marine ecosystem. In any scientific measurement, errors are inevitable in marine biology. Error can arise from instrument limitation, environmental factors, or human mistakes. These errors can be symptomatic where the errors inconsistent, unpredictable, or random where it varies without a discernible pattern. Understanding and minimizing these errors is crucial for the accuracy of scientific conclusion. Many physical quantities in marine biology, such as force, velocity, and acceleration, are factors meaning they have both magnitude and direction. Understanding vectors addition is essential when studying the movement of marine organisms or the flow of ocean currents. The concept of measurement, error analysis, and vector addition are vital tools for marine biologists, enabling them to study and understand the complex interaction between marine life and their physical environment.